Hello, welcome to Genius channel. Today we are going to discuss some questions from NDA 2019 Maths. Okay, NDA exam 2019 Maths. I'm going to discuss some questions from that. Okay, so let's see this question, 41st question. If cosec theta is equal to 29 by 21, where 0 less than theta less than 90 degree, then what is the value of 4 sec theta plus 4 tan theta? 4 sec theta plus 4 tan theta. Okay, so it's a direct question where they have given cosec theta. Cosec theta, they have given 29 by 21. Okay, you have to find 4 sec theta plus tan theta. So you can find out sec theta, then substitute, then find tan theta, then substitute over here. Okay, so let's see what is the relation. Any relation is there between cosec theta and sec theta or tan theta? Actually, cosec theta is having relationship with cot theta, isn't it? Cot 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So from this, I can write cot square theta. Cot theta is equal to root of cosec square theta minus 1. So that is nothing but cosec square theta. What is cosec square theta? 29 square by 21 square minus 1, isn't it? So you'll get cot theta. Okay, just try what you get for cot theta. Just do all of you. All of you do. So you'll get 29 square. 29 square, that is 841 minus 21 square, that is 441. So when you subtract, you'll get 400. So you root 400 by 441. Okay. So that is nothing but 20 by 21. Because here you need not consider negative values, because when you take the root, only positive value you need to consider, because 0 less than theta less than 90 degrees. So in the first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios are positive. So it is 20 by 21. What is 20 by 21? Cot theta. Now from cot theta we can get tan theta. What is tan theta? Reciprocal of cot theta. So that is 21 by 20. So you got tan theta. Okay. So tan theta is equal to 21 by 20. Now, what is the relation? So we got tan theta, so that we can substitute that here. But we need what sec theta also. What is the relation between tan theta and sec theta? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So it is, so we can write sec square theta is 1 plus tan square. So 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta means it is 441 by 400. So you will again reach to 841 by 400. So that is sec square theta. So you'll get sec theta as 29 by 20. So now it's just substitution. 4 sec theta. So 4 into sec theta is 21 by 20 plus 4 tan theta. Tan theta is 21 by 20. So just cancel. So you get 29 plus 21 by 5. So that is 50 by 5. So that you will get 10. You will get 10. Value is 10. So which is that option? Option B. Option B is the answer. So you can do this again from triangle also. You can do this from triangle. That will be more easy. If I mark theta, this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent, this is opposite. So what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is nothing but cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. So it is hypotenuse by opposite. So 29 by 21. So you'll get 20 over here. So from this you can directly get sec theta, tan theta. Tan theta will be 21 by 20. Okay. Then sec theta will be adjacent by hypotenuse by adjacent, 29 by 20. So you can directly get that from the triangle. I just showed you with the help of identities. Okay, you can do with the help of triangle also. Okay. So whichever is more comfortable for you, you can use. But triangle method, if you use, that will be more easy. Like you need time, just less time consuming. Okay. But identities you have to study, because sometimes you will have question like simplify, then they'll give the simplified answer in the options. In that case, you may have to use the identities and proceed. Okay. So let's go to the next question. Consider the following statements. Cos theta plus sec theta can never be equal to 1.5. Tan theta plus cot theta can never be less than 2. Okay, please try. Please try your own. All of you read the statements properly. Read the statements properly. Okay. So I have read the statement. Cos theta plus sec theta can never be equal to 1.5. So let's see how to analyze this question. So just consider, we know that what is the minimum value of cos theta possible? Minimum value of cos theta possible is -1, isn't it? In the case of 180. So maximum value of cos theta, what is that? That is 1. Okay, so minimum value of cos theta is 1 for is -1. That is for 180 degree, and maximum value is for 1. That is for 0 degree, isn't it? Cos 0 is 1. Okay, what about sec theta? Sec theta also minimum value possible is -1. Maximum value possible is -1 less than or equal to sec theta less than or equal to infinity, isn't it? Isn't it? Sec theta is negative. Sec theta is infinity for which one? When where you have cos theta 0? Cos theta is 0 for 90, isn't it? So for it, sec theta is infinity. So the maximum value of sec theta is infinity. For 90, sec theta is infinity. But when theta is equal to 0 degree, theta is equal to 0 degree, and theta is equal to 0 degree, when theta is equal to 0 degree, what is the value of cos theta and sec theta? 0 degree. What is cos theta and sec theta? For 0 degree, cos theta is 1, sec theta is also 1. What about 180? In the case of 180 degree, cos theta is -1, sec theta is also -1. Isn't it? So the value of cos theta plus sec theta, value of cos theta plus sec theta, value of cos theta plus sec theta will always be in between -2 and infinity. Okay, -1 plus -1. So cos theta plus sec theta value will be between -2 and infinity. -2 and infinity. Okay, so in between -1 and infinity, obviously we have a value called 1.5. Okay, so that is a possible value, but they are saying it can never be equal to, never be equal to. So the statement is wrong, because cos theta plus sin sec theta will be lying in between -2 and infinity, and that is a value. 1.5 is a value in this range. So this statement is incorrect. 1.5 is possible. Similarly, you analyze tan theta. So what is the minimum value of tan theta possible? 0. That is tan 0, 0. And maximum value of tan theta possible is infinity. For the cot theta also same interval. 0 less than or equal to tan theta less than or equal to infinity. Cot theta. So cot theta also the minimum value is 0. Maximum value is infinity. Now at 45 degree, what is the value at 45 degrees? Tan theta is equal to cot theta. Tan theta is equal to cot theta, isn't it? So tan theta is equal to cot theta, and the value is 1 at 45 degrees. Okay, so if we are adding tan theta and cot theta, they are saying tan theta and cot theta. If we are adding, so if we are adding tan theta and cot theta, see tan 0, for example, I'm just taking an example, tan 0 plus cot 0. So what is tan 0? Tan 0 is 0 by 1, 0, infinity. So that is obviously greater than, that is a greater value, isn't it? What about tan 45 plus cot 45? 1 plus 1, that is 2. So the minimum value of tan theta plus cot theta is 2. That means it cannot be less than 2. Okay, so tan theta plus cot theta, tan theta plus cot theta will be always greater than or equal to 2, which is less than infinity. Understood? So this statement tan theta plus cot theta can never be less than 2. Can never be less than 2. That is a correct statement. That is a correct statement. Understood? So see, you have to consider the individual intervals. Okay, consider the individual intervals, add these intervals and see whether the statement is correct. Similarly, take the individual intervals, try adding them. Okay, then you'll get the correct condition. So it cannot be tan theta plus cot theta can never be less than 2. Okay, so this is a correct statement. So which is the correct option? 2 only. 2 only is the correct option. 2 only is the correct option. Go to the next question. See this 39th question, you can just see that also. If S is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. up to 20, number of subsets possible, maximum number of subsets. So how to find the number of subsets? Number of subsets is 2 raised to n, where n is the number of elements. So 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. up to 20, there will be how many elements? N will be 10. So it is 2 raised to 10 elements. So number of subsets is equal to 2 raised to n, where n is number of elements. So 2 raised to 10. 2 raised to 10 is 1024. So number of subsets is 1024. Okay. So that is also a direct question, very easy question. Let's see another question. A ladder 9 meter long reaches a point A ladder 9 meters long reaches a point 9 meters below the top of a vertical flat staff. From the foot of the ladder, the elevation of the flat staff is 60 degrees. What is the height of the flat staff? Okay, so let's see how to draw the figure. Ladder 9 meters long reaches a point 9 meters below the top of the vertical flat staff. So below 9 meters below the top of vertical flat staff. Okay, 9 meters below. So it is reaching here. Okay, ladder 9 meters long. Ladder 9 meters long reaches a point 9 meters below the top of a vertical flat staff. From the foot of the ladder. So this is the foot of the ladder. Okay, so this is ground. This is foot of the ladder. The elevation of the flat staff. Okay, elevation of the flat staff. Elevation of flat staff is 60 degrees. What is the height of the flat staff? Okay, we have to find the height of the flat staff. Okay. See the figure? 9 meters long, a ladder 9 meters long reaches a point 9 meters below the flat staff, vertical flat staff. See. Okay, from the foot of the ladder, elevation of the flat staff means top of the flat staff. That is 60 degrees. What is the height of the flat staff? We have to find this much height. We have to find this much height. Okay, so let's see. So I'm just taking tan 60, tan 60. What is that? Opposite by adjacent, isn't it? So opposite means 9 plus h, this much portion, by adjacent is AQ. Isn't it? Okay. Now, so I'm just showing this question in the whiteboard. See. So our figure was, there is a ladder, isn't it? 9. So I marked here 9. This is a from the top of the flat staff. So, okay, so 9 meters below the flat staff. The ladder is also 9 meters. So here this is 90 degree. This was marked 60 degree. So this was a point A. This one I marked as R. This was P. This was Q. So this was the figure, isn't it? So this one I'm taking as H. I need to find actually 9 plus H, isn't it? Because the height of this flat stuff, that is QR, is what I have to find out. I'm just writing tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to 9 plus H divided by AQ. 9 plus H divided by AQ. Okay, so tan 60 is 9 plus H divided by AQ. Now, what about this angle? What will be the length of, what will be this angle? Each of these small angles, what will be that? See, this is totally 60. This is 90. So this much will be what? This much will be 60 plus 90, that is 150. So here there will be 30. So this will be also 30. This will be also 30, isn't it? Okay, so can I write tan 30 here? Tan 30 is equal to H by AQ. So tan 60 is root 3, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, isn't it? Tan 60, we have already written. So we have now just need to simplify this. So 9 plus H is equal to root 3 AQ. Root 3 H is equal to AQ. Okay, so we can substitute that here. 9 plus h is equal to root 3 into AQ is nothing but root 3h. So 3h. So 3h minus h, 2h. 2h is equal to 9. So h is equal to 4.5. So h I got as 4.5. Now, what is the question? You have to find the height of this flagstaff, that is QR. So 9 plus 4.5. So the answer is 13.5 meters. So the thing you have to identify the angle, which the angle is 30 degree. Okay, so for that you have to use the property of triangle. Okay, so coming back to the question paper. So the answer is 13.5. Answer is 13.5. 13.5. Okay, next question. What is the length of a chord? Length of the chord of a unit circle with subtend an angle theta at the center. What is the length of the chord of a unit circle? Length of the chord of a unit circle which subtends an angle theta at the center. The subtends an angle theta. So this is center O, A, B. So you have to find the length of this chord, and they have said that this is a unit circle. That means radius is 1. Which you have to find this length AB. Length AB. Please try. Okay. So if you don't know, please write this formula. Length of the chord is length of the chord of a circle. Length of the chord of a circle is 2r sine theta by 2. 2r sine theta by 2. So that is 2 into r is 1 sine theta by 2. So here answer is 2 sine theta by 2. 2 sine theta by 2. Okay, so 2 sine theta by 2 options. So by heart this formula, length of the chord of a circle is 2r sine theta by 2. Length of the chord is 2r sine theta by 2. Next question. What is tan 2 tan inverse 1 by 3? What is tan 2 tan inverse 1 by 3? Okay. So please try this. So you have to find tan 2 tan inverse 1 by 3. So 2 tan inverse 1 by 3, how can I write? That is tan inverse 2 theta by 1 minus, isn't it? 2 tan inverse x, so 2x by 1 minus x square. So here it is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 square, isn't it? See, 2 tan inverse x. What is 2 tan inverse x? That is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Remember the formula? Tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. 2 tan inverse x is equal to, so that is tan inverse 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 9, isn't it? 1 minus 1 by 9, that is 8 by 9. So that is tan inverse, tan inverse 2 by 3 into 9 by 8. So tan and tan inverse will go. So you get the answer as 3 by 4. Tan and tan inverse will go. Tan and tan inverse theta. Tan inverse theta is, so tan inverse x is nothing but x. So you get the answer as 3 by 4, option B. 3 by 4, option B. Okay, let's see the next question. What is the scalar projection of A on B? Scalar projection of A vector on B vector. Okay, what is projection formula? If you don't know, please write down. Formula for projection is projection of A on B. Projection of A on B is A dot B cap. A dot B cap. Projection of scalar projection of A vector on B vector is A dot B cap. Okay, so that is A vector that we have I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. B cap means what is the formula for finding B cap? B cap unit vector is B vector by magnitude of B vector, isn't it? So B vector is 4i minus 4j plus 7k divided by its magnitude, root of 4 square plus minus 4 square plus 7 square. So that is nothing but I minus 2j plus k cap in dot. You have to 4i minus 4j plus 7k magnitude you will get as root of 81. Root of a 4 square plus 4 square 16 plus 16 plus 49. You will get root 81. So that is 9. So just take the dot product here. I am doing that here. 1 by 9 into dot product 1 into 4, 4 plus minus 2 into minus 4, positive 8 plus 1 into 7, 7. Okay, so 12 plus 7, isn't it? So 19 by 9. You will get the projection as 19 by 9, option B. So only direct question, only you have to by heart this formula. Projection of A on B is A dot B cap. Okay.